Ay, siya. Ay. Ay, siya. That's it. That's it. But you need to put down. Need to put down the differential. Yes. Put down the swivel. See, take out all the bolts. The differential. Yes, this one. The most important, this one is you need to take out this bolt and then pry it in order to pass by the shock. Okay guys. Oh. Yan. Okay, if you like my video guys, please share and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching.